I'm Dan Galusha and welcome to another edition of Shootin' Plink. Hey, today I'm going to be firing my PC Carbine, my Ruger PC Carbine again. And it's kind of a continuation of one here that I did quite some time back when somebody asked, well, how is this at 25 yards or more, due to the fact that it shoots a pistol caliber, a 9mm by the way. I've got a 10 round magazine loaded in here, so we're going to be testing two things. How does it do at 50 yards? And I've also got another one up there about 48. I might shoot that too. With an ammo that I've never fired before. It's called Military Classic. It's Wolf. I have used Wolf before, but I've used the performance ammunition. This is Military Classic. What's the difference? Don't really know. But anyway, I was able to get my hands on some of this. And we're going to fire 10 rounds and see how this thing does at 50 yards. This will answer those people's questions that ask me about how does it do at longer distance with the pistol carbine or pistol caliber. So let's see what happens. I've got you zoomed in there on the target. I'll get my hearing protection on. Already got my eye protection. See what happens here. Put a round in. Take the safety off, and we'll see what happens. We'll try for that 48-yard one. I missed that. Getting that one. Finally, I got it. See if I can get it again. Yep, alright. Got it with the last round. Well, it shot at 50 yards. What do you say we load up another 10 rounds of that Wolf Military Classic? Shot pretty doggone good. And we'll see what it does. So I have to reload my magazine here. Stay with me. Okay, I got the next 10 rounds loaded. We'll see what happens with that. And you know, I'm going to try it that short one again. Yeah, got it. I knew that last one I was going to miss. It was just not, I didn't aim right. Oh, that one too. Now that one, I don't know why it missed. That one too. I don't get that. Okay, we got 10 more rounds. We'll see what happens there. Okay, I have come to the conclusion. We fired 30 rounds now with this, and I could not figure out why that was missing. It had to definitely been the ammunition. That's why I wanted to fire another 10 rounds. It even had a difference in the recoil. I could tell the recoil didn't feel much more than well, I don't know, just a little bit more than probably a 17 HMR or 22 mag. It just did not have the recoil that the 9mm actually had. And that last 10, you could feel it. You could feel the difference. And every one of them hit the target. So the gun will definitely shoot 9mm at 50 yards and 48, because I was able to hit that little 48 one too, the smaller target. And it, I don't know, it had to have been the ammo. So that means that the Wolf Military Classic may have a few rounds that aren't all that great. You know, I'm not going to fire any more today, especially the price of ammo. But, you know, this, I will be shooting some more. But this was a good enough test that it showed you what you might run into. And plus, it shows you that, again, this Ruger PC Carbine will fire a 9mm at 50 yards and hit the target. Now, you were looking at it closer, so you know where it hit on that target. But still, no, it was a silhouette, and that is a much smaller silhouette than a B-27, so if you can hit that, you can definitely hit a B-27, there's no doubt about it. But anyway, that's what we did for the test. So until next time, shoot safe and have a great day of plinking.